Alright, check this out. What we got here is an Audi Q7 2023, and what we've done is we fully retrofitted in these new rear headrest screens, so it gives you that nice original look. Full LED lighting as well. So as you can see, there are no wires showing. Nice and sleek. Now these are full Android screens on here, so you can download and install all your favorite apps. You got Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, all on the original screen here. You can watch videos on YouTube. So speakers built in, or you can use Bluetooth headphones or connect it up to the main screen on your car. So if you want something like this installed, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, guys, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.